Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video, I'll show you a very important lesson. And before starting this video, Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you have started the new year in a very good fashion, in a very positive note. So wishing you a very good year. So let's start the video. In this video, I'll show a very important lesson, that is how to hold a document in SAP and how you can refer it later to post a document. So by the time I think you all know how to park a document. If you don't know, then I'll give the link in my description box below. Therefrom you can check how to park a document. And likewise, SAP has given one more functionality, that how to post a document. Now what is the purpose of it? Purpose is the same for the park document also. It is the same purpose, that you can temporarily save a document, okay, so that so that your finance will not be impacted, your finance will not be affected. And later if you feel it to be verified by other auditors or other senior groups, and then to post it, then you can do it. So temporarily you can save a document, okay, and then after you can go through it, you can verify it, you can add your few more fields if you want, and then you can save it. And once you save it, once you post it, then only it will be going to the finance. Okay, so I'm showing it to you thoroughly. I'm going to FB50. So this is my TXT company code. So first of all, I'm giving the dates here. I'm taking December dates because I don't have the January open as of now. So I'm just taking the December date, and then taking the simple journal entry, internet expenses account debit to bank account. Internet expenses I have picked up, debit, say for an example 450, and bank account credit. Credit 450, the same amount. Now you can hold it without saving it, because you may feel later that something can be added later, like it may happen that one junior group is passing the JV for the first time. They don't know what to put in reference or what to put in document header text, or it may happen that they are forgetting to put something in the reference and document header text. Later some other senior group or supervisor, their supervisor are verifying that those documents, and they are thinking to add something in reference or header text, then they can add, and then they can post. Okay, so that in one round of verification can be added more. The same functionality goes for the parking document also. Now SAP has given you different options, different approaches, whether you will take the parking option or the hold option, that is up to you, but SAP has given you those options. Now you have to pick up that choice which is best suitable for you. Okay, now here I am telling you one thing. If I am clicking on the document and then hold option is there, once you are clicking on the hold, then system will be prompting you to give a temporary document number, which you give. Against the same number, system will hold this document. Okay, but system is prompting us this because our system is ready, but once you are doing this functionality for the first time, it will be very helpful for you if you are in the implementation project, or if you are practicing in the IDS server. Then once we are doing this whole document for the first time, we will be getting an error that convert whole document first. This error you will be getting in. I cannot show you that error because my error has already gone, because I have resolved that error. So generally this error comes up, that convert whole documents. Okay, or conversion of the whole document is not possible. Okay, either this or convert whole document. These two, either or these two sentences will be coming up, which is an error. So what is the solution? Solution is, I'm showing you, we have to execute a program. I'm showing you that first, and then after I will hold the document and will carry on the video. So going to a new session, and we'll be going to the AC38 transaction. It is the new create session. Is it? Okay. No, not yet. So probably it is taking a bit time to appear. Yeah, now it is coming up. Yeah, AC38. AC38 is the transaction to execute a program. Okay. So if you get the error that conversion of the whole document is not possible, or convert whole document, then the solution is you have to execute one program, and that program is this. Okay, this is the program name which you have to execute. So you can note it down. This is the program name. What is the program name? RFT MPBLU. RFT MPBLU. This is the program name. So you are entering that program name, clicking on the execute button. You have to select this box, no termination for the read error, and then you have to click on the execute button. I will not click on execute because it is already executed in my system. So solution is you have to check this box and you have to click on the execute. Once you do that, you will get a message few minutes later that your program, conversion has happened or conversion is possible. Like this, you will get a message which is your success message. So this was something which I had to tell you, and it is going to be a very important, very helpful information for all of you if you are in implementation project or if you are practicing it for the first time. So now coming to our main screen where we are doing the document holding. So I'll give a number against which the document will be held. So I'm giving 300, say for an example. Now pressing the enter button. Document 300 was held. Perfect. I'll click on the free on button here in MB50 itself. Here under the held document, I'll go to and I'll be finding my already held document which is 300. Now I'll click on the post button here which will post this document. So if you feel that your document is incomplete, you can add something in the reference or document header text if required, and then you can post it. So document 10004 was posted in company code this. Okay, it is a success message. Now I'm coming back and going to FB50 again. FB50. See, under the held document there is nothing because which was held has been posted, so that has gone away. Okay, so this is all about the holding the documents. So I hope you have understood this well. If you still have any questions, then please write your questions in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your query, and I'll be surely coming up with some new videos in coming days. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.